Hi everyone, this is Summit from the Log Analytics team. Today, I'm going to be showing you some new features our team has worked on recently and what we are working on next. So currently, Log Analytics can be enabled in a log bucket when you first create it. For example, this bucket has Analytics enabled. We are now adding the ability to upgrade an existing bucket to Log Analytics so that customers can easily opt in and run SQL queries on their existing buckets. After you enable analytics on a bucket, you can open any views in the bucket in the Analytics UI. So these are the different views in the different buckets with Analytics enabled, and you can query these views in this UI. We recently added the ability to look at your recent queries. So I'm going to look at a query where I was analyzing data access audit logs in the Cloud Logs test project for our own cloud logging API. When you run this query, you will see the table results, which shows you the audit log in more detail. The audit log is highly structured, so you can see the nested structured data in these hierarchical menus. We also added the ability to interact with this table results to further refine your query. For example, if I want to project the method name, I can now click on the method and add this field to the select query. I'm also interested to look at the principal email. So I can also click on that field, which modifies your query and adds those fields. What I would like to do is aggregate upon these fields and group by on these two fields and do a count aggregation. So if I limit to 100, I can see who the top 100 users of Cloud Logs test project are. So we see there are a couple of probers and then there are a couple of folks in our team who use the test project most often. You can also open this query in BigQuery and further refine the query to visualize the results better. You can visualize the results in Data Studio and create a bar graph like this to better understand the data. We can clearly see here that Safa is the top user, followed by Matt and Victoria and Jalu. And these are the different API methods that they are accessing. So this type of visualization is what we are adding next in the logging UI itself, so that you don't have to go through BigQuery and Data Studio to understand the data. So this concludes the short demo. Please try using the Log Analytics UI and provide our team feedback on how we can further improve it in the future.